What's up guys, today on Tow Pig Tuesday, we have a simple and quick upgrade to our Ram 2500 that will increase the appeal of the rear end and the visibility of your license plate. Go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more great content. Let's get into today's video. We're gonna be installing these guys right here from Friday Parts. They have quick shipping and have a ton of different parts, OEM and aftermarket, and they are full built-in LED lights, and they got nice black plastic, not faded at all, brand new, nice, got the wrapping paper on them. We're gonna leave that on there for now, but these will be a huge upgrade to those worn out yellow faded lights. You know, these old yellow faded lights here don't look very good on a nice truck. Plus the plastic's all faded on them and they could just look a lot nicer, I think. And these will work on 1500s, 2500s, 3500s, pretty much the whole realm of 4th gen Ram trucks. Stay tuned, we're gonna show you how to get them installed. So we're back behind the bumper, and right here you can see the light. You can actually twist this and pull it out, and you can see the little button peanut bulb there. We're actually going to put it back in though. Now if you were just going to replace the bulb, you could also just replace it with an LED bulb, but in this case it's going to be much better to go ahead and replace that whole housing because you get a lot brighter of an LED. You also get the new housing, which is going to be a lot less faded and nice. Now back behind here, if you can see it, there's a little bracket, and you might be able to just grab it and wiggle it loose with your fingers. Basically, you're gonna pull it out this direction, and actually we're gonna go ahead and get a full flat blade screwdriver back there and pry this out of there. And we'll just work it. There it goes. Almost, there we go. Alright. And this little bracket is the retainment bracket that holds that light in. So now we're gonna go back up top side. So now we're up top side, and you can see this is now loose. We can go ahead and pull it through. Go ahead and disconnect that bulb and pull this free. We're also going to go ahead and pull this peanut bulb out. There. Okay, got the little bulb loose. And now we're going to go ahead and grab the matching LED. And it comes with this little blade connection. I don't know if you can see that little blade connection there. And that is going to go right where the button or the peanut LED bulb went. And it's just going to plug right in, just like your LED bulb would. Now before you get any farther, you want to go ahead and test it out, because this could be flipped one of two ways, and if it is flipped the wrong way, this light won't come on, and you'll just have to turn it around and flip it around. But we're gonna go ahead and test it now. Oh, and look at that, lit right up. So we got it good this time. Now what I like to do is take a piece of electrical tape and wrap it around the wire and where it plugs in, just to have that extra securement. We don't want this to pop out, or else this install is not really worth much. So we are just gonna take this electrical tape around there we go, like that. Now you're just gonna go ahead and fit this back into its spot and go down below to disconnect the bracket. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull the film off of it. And we're gonna compare. Oh, wow. Just look at that. Look how much brighter and wider that light is compared to that. There's no comparison. I mean, that is so yellow and that is so bright. That's so much nicer. Check that out. Holy cow. That's so much brighter and wider of a light. I don't know about you, but I really like the white light. The yellow, it just seems dated to me. The white bright light looks a lot more modern and a lot more clean. And overall, just a better, better effect, I think. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install the other side, but before we do, let's talk about the resistance on these LED bulbs versus the halogen counterparts. So with these LED bulbs, there's less resistance, and so sometimes it will throw an error code, and you'll see it on your dash. It's not like a cell or anything like that. It's not gonna do a check engine light, but there will be an error code about maybe your light bulb being out or something along those lines. That is because LED has lower resistance. It draws less power, which is a good thing. You can do one of two things if you do have that error code. You can turn it off with Alpha OBD. Basically, that's an app that you can go in, change the settings in it to say that, hey, I got LED bulbs in this particular spot. And so it will lessen the reading that it's going to be looking for when it goes to start up your truck. That's one option. And the other option is actually install resistors into the harness with the bulb to kind of counteract it, to trick it into thinking, hey, this is a halogen bulb. It's actually better, in my opinion, to go ahead and turn it off, make the truck know that it's going to be an LED bulb through Alpha OBD if you do have that error code, because, hey, we want to use less power, so why are we going to make it consume more power by tricking the computer into thinking it's a halogen bulb and using more power just like a halogen bulb would do? Doesn't make much sense, right? We're doing LED bulbs to consume less power and to have that clean modern look, so why are we going to use a lot more power and trick it? If we do have that error code, which we will check once we're done with this install, we're going to go ahead and turn it off with Alpha OBD. Doesn't that look 1,000 times better now? Yeah, that's awesome. So let's go check the error codes if there are any, and then if there are, we'll show you how they go ahead and clear them. All right, let's go ahead and switch it on and see what error codes we get. We're getting the preheat. That's no big deal. Got the exhaust brake on. Okay, cool. Service airbag light, yeah, we have to fix that. The low beam, that is a burnout bulb actually on the front. We gotta fix that. But then there are no other error codes. So I think for now we're safe on having any sort of error codes for that license plate. If other error codes do pop up, we'll show you in a future video how to clear those out using Alpha OBD. But for now, I don't see any error codes, so I think we're good to go. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe for more great content. I'll post a link down in the description where we bought these LED kits. They're super cheap, and I think it looks awesome, and I think every single 4th gen Ram should have LED lights on the whole thing. Really, it just looks better to me. But that's it for today's video. See you next time. 'Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.